done for today. A lot of snow on the road. Not a good day. Look outside. A lot of snow. It's gonna take us around 1 hour to get home. What do you think, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna go down that hill,
Yeah.
so.
Oh wow. Today is March 23. We still get a big snow. Unbelievable. Slow down. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, everywhere. Seems like we cannot go then. The trees fell down. Something going on over there?
People are turning around there too.
Oh,
Oh my goodness.
what are we gonna do then?
There's a car going.
We got a problem. We cannot go that way because the tree is
What?
fell down. What happened now? So
Closer.
we don't have enough gas either. And now we're gonna stop by the gas station and buy the gas. So the road is very hard to drive. Okay, that area, the tree fell down and then we can go just one lane. So everybody came back now. Somebody call?
Yeah.
So first, what's happened? What happened? You said first?
The machine wouldn't, it couldn't pay out here. And then, right before I almost got to, so I said put in $35. And when it got to $34.71 and the power went out.
Oh my goodness, we almost cannot get the gas.
Almost. Well, I went back on though.
Oh, okay, now we good, right? So we good now. We
Yeah.
have full of the gas. Okay.
We have more than 3/4. So.
Look at that. Some people they go there still get stuck over there. And now we're gonna go different way. Oh, seems like it's gonna take forever to get home. So we're gonna go different way, right?
Yeah.
What's happening with this truck?
I think you can't see.
It's the one problem in New York. Big problem when we get big snow.
It's a very interesting day. So,
Car get stuck. Cannot drive. But good thing we have 4-wheel drive. So another thing, we live in New York. You should have the car 4-wheel drive. It's good for snow. Number one. This one is very good. We have 4-wheel drive. So good. And then we don't have to worry about that when we get a lot of snow. So just keep going, slow down, keep going. You're gonna get home.
honestly, I don't know where we're going, but doesn't know where the trees are down, so it doesn't
You want to stop the car and check with the GPS first?
it doesn't really help.
Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh! The tree. My God. Oh my God. The problem is because the tree cannot hold snow, right?
Yeah.
That's why it just fall down because the dry tree. Hopefully it's
I
good.
don't want to stop you.
Yeah.
Stop.
You're afraid of the tree gonna
Yeah.
fall down. Alright, keep going, keep going. What is that? Now we have to go down to the hill very slow. Yuri,
Something wrong.
ambulance car get stuck?
He's looking at the wheels.
Oh my God, look at that car over there get stuck also, a small car right in front of us. The bus also?
Yeah, the bus is crashed.
Oh, the bus. Okay, slow.
Wow.
Slow. Oops, slippery.
Cannot stop.
Oh my goodness. It's icy now, the road.
I'm putting the brakes on. It seems to hold me up.
Yeah. Just go slow. Very, very slow. It's on the hill. Downtown in Troy. Wow, look at that. It's all ice on the tree.
That's very pretty, though.
No, I know it's all ice on the tree, you know, but I'm afraid the tree is gonna fall down again if cannot hold the ice. That's why we saw a lot. Ooh, that way is very beautiful on the right. Now we are get stuck on the road. Look at that. What they're doing over there.
People
now.
are pushing cars with their hands because the car won't go.
Nothing you
in
can
the
do right
snow.
now, you know, because small car cannot make it now. Oh my God, we get stuck. I don't know how many cars in the front we cannot go then.
Looks like mostly one car is blocking.
Which
the way.
one? On the left or on the right?
It's in the middle. It's blocking. Looks like it's in both lanes.
And everybody cannot
No.
go. Oh my goodness.
People are gonna go push.
Yeah, nothing you can do now. No choice. Oh, that car gets stuck. The white one.
Yeah.
This one. You cannot do anything now.
Electric car.
Yeah. And this another car gets stuck. Oh my goodness. AAA cannot help today. Oh, look at that. You think the road's gonna be okay? So Oh, we're gonna cross the bridge.
Yeah, and this is going to take us to Latham.
Uh-huh.
When we get to Latham, or we can take 787. I have to decide which is the best way to go.
Because mostly the road is not clean yet. Oh.
I want to see, how does that look?
Hmm?
Cars are moving on 787.
Yeah, the car's moving.
Okay.
Yes, the car's moving on.
I'm going to go that
Is
way.
that 87?
787.
Okay, the car is moving, yeah. We find a way to go now.
Can we get off 90?
787 road is
Yes.
much better, right?
Yes.
Not too bad, I think. Just keep going. Now it's 7 o'clock. But good thing, you know, it's not dark. You still can see the road at 7 o'clock because almost spring, right?
Yeah. It is spring.
Yeah, spring already. Over there also, a lot of things going on. Look at that, a lot of police car over there. Just drive slow. Still heavy snow over here. Finally, we get home.
Stop and check the mailbox.
Oh, can you do it tomorrow, please? Okay, we got home.